Who's in a well-pressed bright blue jacket.
Alright, they're talking about Margaret Thatcher, but she's dead, the Iron Lady, privatized, strikes. Oh, I love it. You should hear this thing howling. Ah!
A simple moment can alter your perception.
Holy cow.
I never doubted that the economic transformation she imposed on
headlights on for safety.
And I watched the haughty way.
Unbelievable. Unmaintained vehicle.
But after that one short encounter.
No squeak.
And it was near the end of her
time.
Close to that, she was never quite as iron a lady to me.
It's salted.
I'm Dick Gordon from APM, American Public.
It's sunny here. Finally warming up. Well, this thing definitely needs a brake job. I wonder why it's grinding so bad. More oil, jeez! Sway bar link, busted. Oil, never changed. I think it's time to sell this thing. I didn't buy it, it's just helping a friend. Got nice tires. Too bad it's rusted. 2004. Extra salted. Tailpipe? We don't need no stinking tailpipe. Oh my goodness. Needs an exhaust. Yeah, a couple of beer cans around that would be fine. Rusted. This is terrible. Alright. I got the parts. Well, crank her up. Whew. Nothing wrong with that. Listen to this. When you crank her up. Ready? Think it has a loose fan belt? Oh man, how can a vehicle get so badly neglected? Rumble, rumble. Still black paint on the frame. It's trying to survive.
There was a curator.
This thing needs to be pressure washed underneath. Squeak! Where's the hood release? Hidden. Rusted. That is my recommendation. Dump this thing. It has been beat to crap. Dump it. Yeah, hood won't even open. Beautiful. Two people. Gotta get someone to help me open the hood. Son of a gun. Sounds good to me. I don't know what the problem is. What are they complaining about? Noise when you put the brakes on? Come on. Hey! Well, something wrong with that one. There's nothing there. That was the front end on this thing. Nice and tight. Those are rotors. Rusted. Ah, jeez. This is the same pickup frame as my friend's hard body. How's the front end of this one? Jeez, how could people neglect something to this extent? Nothing loose there. Alright, I'm going to pull the wheel. I got a rotor for this thing, but it might not need it. It might need a caliper. What do you think? You can see the rust dust twinkling in the sunlight. Gotta love it. Alright, brake caliper bracket comes off. I already removed the bolts. And I found the brake pad. There it is. It's here. jammed in behind the backing plate. I just called up the Flap, Friendly Local Auto Parts, for a new rotor. $77. I need a pair of vice grips to get that out of there. Thank goodness for vice grips. There we go. Wow, the sun is just blazing. Ah, I love it. There it is. Just clunked the camera. I'm just gonna have that re-shoe to put some new material on that. There. That rotor is still good. I'm gonna polish that up. I'm gonna leave this rotor on. This woman doesn't have any money to waste. What with the high rent that we charge. I'm gonna polish that side up with an abrasive grinder. Not that bad. I've seen a lot worse. Yeah, rotor is 40, 50 bucks, and I gotta take off the four-wheel drive and undo all this crap. There's too many parts to take off the change. It's not worth it. Needs a sway bar link. Yeah, the link is busted. That's easy to change. The new one's only 5 bucks. Needs an exhaust system. Pressure test taps on the transmission. See them? Oh yeah, Spike Punk asked me a question. I wandered out here last night at 10 o'clock at night. I was talking to Spike Punk, my Ace transmission rebuilder. He asked me where the pressure tap was because another guy contacted us because he just rebuilt a 4L80E and all he has is reverse. The pressure tap is right there. See it? Right there. Right behind the sensor. The sensor is there, speed sensor, whatever it is. Pressure tap is right behind it. Right behind and above the shifter. That's where it is. Now you know. I know Spike Punk watches my videos. You like that? Busted lug. Broken. Oh boy. Got another one right there. 4L80E. This one's good. Pressure tap. Right there. Alright, I gotta work on this Nissan Xterra X Junker Rapid Strip. It's a fiber plastic pad, perfect for taking off rust.